Everyone, today it's Ice King Videos, and today we are going to record the United Kingdom Emergency Alert System test. So in 3 minutes, 7890, it will be 3 o'clock, also known as 1500 hours in like 24-hour clocks. So now the time is 2:57, and I have got four things set up to see if it works on other devices. I have got this phone running the emergency calls only and Wi-Fi networks. I have got this on the standard SIM cards and Wi-Fi networks. I've also got my tablet, and I've got a watch connected to the internet and stuff as well to see if it pings on there. And I have got an iPhone that has an airplane and the Wi-Fi symbol. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to screen record on this phone to see, so I can upload this to YouTube Shorts. I'm just going to minimize that real quick. So the time is now 2:58. So we've got 1 minute left until the emergency alert systems happen. So I'm going to actually use this as a timer. So when it goes 2:59, then I will click the record button. So it's now 2:59. We have got 1 minute left until the emergency alert broadcast begins. So this phone now is screen recording, so I'm going to upload that to my YouTube Shorts page on my channel. So here is the emergency broadcast in action in just a few seconds. So in 30 seconds, the United Kingdom emergency broadcast will begin. Ooh, I'm so nervous. This will be the first time recording this. Right. Here we go. There we go. There's the alert. Wow. It worked. So here it is. We have now got the emergency alert on the phone. It has actually worked. Wow. That's cool. As anyways, that was the UK emergency announcement. I am now going to end the video here. As anyways, thanks for watching and subscribe.